your massive living and dining area. So this is your beautiful kitchen area where this is your master bedroom. So you can have a look at this. If you're one of them who prefer space, greenery and calm lifestyle, introducing you all with Godrej Parkshire. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal, and today we are here at Godrej Parkshire, which is located in Whitefield Hoskote corridor in Hoskote, East Bangalore, a project developed by Godrej Properties. Before starting our video, let me show you the surrounding and neighborhood of the project, and currently I am standing on the main entrance of our project. So this is the main entrance, and now let me show you that the land parcel starts from here itself, and the marketing office is just on my right hand side over here. We'll be getting all the information and details of the project along with the model flats tour as well. Now I know you must be wondering what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So what are you worrying about? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview with the help of this miniature. So the project is spread across 13.5 acres of massive land parcel with just 5 residential towers, with each tower of 2 basement ground plus 28 floors, having exclusive 2 and 3 BHK premium residencies in different variants. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and the project provides you world-class amenities like of a grand clubhouse, pets park, swimming pool, skywalk, badminton court, basketball court and many more. Now let's discuss about the location part, and the project is located in Whitefield Hoskote corridor in Hoskote, East Bangalore on Malasandra main road. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project, and right now I'm standing on the main entrance of our project, and this is the Malasandra main road. So basically this road on my right hand side will connect you towards Samethanahali, and the opposite side road will take you towards Old Madras Road. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity and the location of the project. So you can connect to Delhi Public School in just 5 minutes from the project. Brigade Uptown Mall is 10 minutes away, and Hope Farm Signal is just 20 minutes away from your location. So this is your 2 BHK Lux model flat of 1224 square feet super built up area. Let's have a look at this beautiful model flat. So once you enter, let me show you that they are providing with a main entrance comes with this digital door lock for your security purpose, and even for privacy they are here with a foyer area. And once you enter, this is your massive living and dining area. So you can have a look at this beautiful space with a beautiful interior work done for your reference. Now, they have a connecting balcony as well. So even you can have a look at this balcony. The spacious balcony comes with wooden finishing flooring, iron railing, and additionally this balcony will be 2-side open, giving you perfect view of the nature. Now let's move further towards your dining and the kitchen area. So as you can have a look over here, this is the dining area where you can fit in your dining table right over this side. Now exactly in front is your kitchen area with the easy access to your dining area. So this is your beautiful kitchen area where they have fit in the parallel fitting platforms. For your reference, the sink over here, a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and even there's a utility area as well where they have put in the machine spaces. Moving further towards your bedroom space. So both the bedrooms are on the other side of the house. So for that you have to take this passage area, and once you enter, right over this side is your bedroom number 1. Basically your kids' bedroom. So once you step inside this bedroom, you can have a look at the spacious bedroom. There is ample of space to move around with the TV unit space as well. You can even add up your study table right over here. This is the bed space, and here comes a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Now about the wardrobe space, which is right over the side. About the washroom, so once you step outside over here comes your common washroom with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. Now about the master bedroom, but before that let me introduce you all with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour with such sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features only under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free only on Housey.com. Now let's enter towards your master bedroom, and this is your master bedroom. So you can have a look at the space with a huge bed space. And there is again the ample of space to move around inside the room. Here comes the window, a huge window for ventilation and lighting purpose. This is exactly in front of your bed space, the TV unit space for you. About the wardrobe space, so you can add up your wardrobe right over here and even the dressing table. This bedroom comes with a private washroom, your master washroom, with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fitting. So now as you all know, we are here at Godrej Properties project. Have you checked another project with Godrej Properties? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of the project, all is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.